Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. This video guys is to guide you how to check your revenue on your YouTube channel guys. And now we start. Of course, you're gonna go to YouTube screen. And this is my account. YouTube, sign into your account. Okay, go to your channel. What I'm trying to do, go to your channel and it open up your channel guys. That's Madam A is my channel. Here I always go to manage video on the right corner guys, manage videos. Alright, and on the manage videos guys, it will open your channel content. There is your channel content guys. Below the channel content you have your videos, live, post, and underneath your account there's a dashboard, content, playlist, analytic, comment, subtitle, copyright, monetization. Alright, this video is about locating the revenue guys, so I'll just gonna show you the revenue right now. So in order for you guys to check your revenue, go to analytic, click the analytic guys. Alright, and then channel analytics open up guys. There you go. And now you can see your overview, reach, your watch time guys, your engagement. You can check your engagement, your audience guys. You can check the top audience guys, the top country who's watching your channel. And revenue, there's a revenue guys, click that. And there's your revenue guys. And if you want to check your one year or the previous revenue guys, you can go to the right corner right there, advanced mode pala. Advanced mode. You can click that arrow down and then you can check the lifetime guys. And there you can analytic guys, analytic, your estimated revenue for the whole year is right there. Alright, if this video guys is helpful to find your revenue, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support and have a good day. Bye everyone. Bye.